Most people hit the gym and do the exact same moves over and over again. They think effort equals progress, but here's the truth. Your body stops growing when your routine stops changing. What if I told you there are 4 forgotten exercises that can unlock massive strength, mobility, and muscle growth? And almost nobody is doing them. You've been training hard, you show up, sweat, and lift. But your progress, it's stuck. Your body isn't broken, your routine is. And it's quietly destroying your posture, your symmetry, and your motivation. Today, I'll show you 4 powerful movements that'll rebuild your strength from the ground up. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your workouts the same way again. The biggest lie in fitness? That both sides of your body work equally. In reality, you've got one dominant side, a strong bully of a leg doing all the work, leaving your weaker side behind. That's what wrecks your posture and causes back pain. The single-leg RDL forces that weaker side to carry the load, building strength in your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back while fixing your symmetry. The single-leg RDL forces that weaker side to carry the load, building strength in your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back while fixing your symmetry. To do it right, hold the weight in the opposite hand of your standing leg. Hinge at your hips like you're closing a car door with your glutes. And keep your back flat. No banana spine, no twisting, just control. Most people never fix this imbalance, and it's why their progress stalls for years. But this movement alone can reset your entire foundation. Let's talk about your upper body. You bench press, you push, but your shoulders, they're underdeveloped. The Pike Push-Up is your secret weapon. It targets your shoulders, triceps, and upper chest without wrecking your joints. To perform it, walk your feet toward your hands, form an inverted V, and lower your head between your hands with control. This simple move can transform your pressing power and protect your shoulders for life. We've spent years sitting. Our hips locked, ankles stiff. We've forgotten how to move like humans. The resting squat is nature's forgotten posture. It restores ankle, knee, and hip mobility, the foundation of pain-free movement. Start with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly out. Squat low, keep your chest tall. If you can't stay down, hold on to a support. Push your knees out gently with your elbows. Open your hips, free your body. You've been sitting for decades. Now it's time to take your movement back. The core isn't just your abs, it's your powerhouse. And no move trains it like the dragon flag, made legendary by Bruce Lee himself. It builds total body tension, every inch from shoulders to toes. But it's not for beginners. If crunches are your max, start with leg raises first. Once you're ready, grip the bench behind your head. Lift your body as one solid unit, and lower it down slow. No bending, no sagging, only control. Your body hasn't betrayed you. It's just been waiting for better instructions. Start today, and unlock the strength, balance, and mobility you were meant to have. These 4 exercises are just the beginning. If you want the full blueprint, mobility, strength, and longevity, check out my free guide in the description below. Because transformation isn't luck, it's strategy.